Chainsaw Man or episode 1? Or is it the other way around?
What? Chainsaw Man, episode 1. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna say episode 1 Chainsaw Man?
Go ahead, Elvin Clap.
Go.
Chainsaw Man?
This guy forgot the rules.
That's one job. Bro.
Yeah, so Chainsaw Man episode 1, then clap. Yeah, I want to do the clap.
Okay, ready? Chainsaw Man episode 1. Go.
What's poppin', guys?
Yo, guys, we were just recording not too long ago. This break ruined us.
No, you're like go. Like, just don't say that, because
Why don't you clap?
Okay,
Quiet,
yeah.
quiet.
This guy said go.
Ready? Chainsaw Man episode 1.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are SomosCuatro. We are reacting to a fresh anime that recently came out like a couple days ago, and this anime is called Chainsaw Man.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure some of us already watched the trailers already, and Alex here just read the descriptions. Did you guys watch the trailer?
I don't think so, no.
Oh shit, I probably just watched the trailer myself.
Man's talking about spoilers, bro. Holy.
So, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. We have no idea what's happening in this whole anime. All we know is that there's a guy with a chainsaw head, and that's it.
I was actually told to react to this show when it comes out because I heard the manga is really good. So like,
Oh, there's a manga for this?
Yeah,
Mappa?
Yeah.
yeah, Mappa.
So this is gonna be a good anime.
Yeah.
Guys are getting worked.
Yes, sir. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on a single video that drops every week. With that being said, let's do this. Chainsaw Man.
For sure.
Chainsaw Man.
Comment below too.
What?
I said comment below.
What are they gonna comment? Say hi.
Just say hi to us. We appreciate it.
Follow us on social media.
Just say
Have
hi
chat
to
with
us.
us.
Oh, I should have started
Starting
already.
off in an alley.
What is crazy animation right now?
Yeah, that's
looks
clean.
so
They do the 3D CGI stuff.
This looks so surreal.
A lot of shows are doing
Feels like
that.
we're playing a scary game right now.
Yeah, it kind of does look like a game.
You're right. Yeah.
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 I'm gonna put
I
it.
hate when they do that.
Are we allowed to watch intros if there's an intro?
Yeah, I'm not watching no intro.
Man, I'm watching intros.
I like the intro.
This is the first
Yeah, me
episode,
too.
so it might be in the outro, the intro.
It's so clean.
Yeah,
clean.
it is.
Super clean.
Oh, Nightmare.
Better head to work. Oh, damn. Okay.
Details.
Jeez.
Yeah, details are like on point.
Notice how there's zero music? It's just silence.
Thank you.
There's no background. True.
Brian loves no music.
この間売った腎臓が
Holy shit. This
100
guy.
Put 2 million for a kidney?
So he's rich?
名が
Alright, what's the weird
30
Bruh.
Is he selling his body
金
parts?
玉
Oh,
What am I, nuts? Who are we talking
い
to?
くらで売れたっけ
The cat?
$100,000 for one ball. Full.
It's not even.
Not even 100,000. That's like black market stuff.
3800
Oh, so he's in debt.
You're selling your...
Oh, what the hell?
ポチタ分
ポチタ
かってるってさっさと殺しちまうか 悪魔を一体
So is that like a
殺せば
cat with a chainsaw on his
大
head?
体30万
No, that's just. Oh, fuck.
Whoa. What's the tape?
A chainsaw man,
だってデビ
legit.
ルハンターが一番
Oh, so it's like monsters.
Devil hunting.
Oh, so this is literally his job.
That's cool.
Well, he took it.
Oh, I'm into it. I'm into the weird fucking nightmare gory stuff.
Nightmare gore stuff?
Okay,
like
okay.
it.
Wait, so
Interesting.
he's... His dog is the chainsaw?
Yeah, I guess so. Chainsaw man.
Is it even a dog?
I don't know.
It's a Pochita.
I'm pretty sure that's who I read about in the description.
Or it's like a devil in its own? Because he's supposed to be hunting devils, no?
But I think he, I don't want to say it.
They go bowling.
Well, they said it in the description.
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh. Okay. Damn.
no context.
So many new. Oh, I'm gonna say new characters, but we haven't met it. Oh, damn.
It's such a weird. None of this. The visuals are so weird.
Weird in a good way?
Well,
They look super
That's a
good.
chainsaw.
no,
man.
in a good way. Yeah. You know, in a good way.
how
Like
you
very
miss a chainsaw, man?
surreal. Like
I'm just hearing you guys just talking. Like, that's a chainsaw. I was like, what does the chainsaw look like?
it's so weird.
But how?
I just all I can say it's so weird.
It looks really clean and beautiful, but at the same time, it's weird.
See what I mean? Okay, if anyone has watched this and you've watched Doro Hedoro on Netflix,
Yeah. Haven't seen Dora. Yeah.
but the visuals and stuff
Are look
very similar.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah. I was getting some like Jujutsu intro vibes.
Oh, he killed it.
Yeah, definitely though. Like the
Oh, it's a
transitions and
tomato
stuff like
no
that.
akuma
Like,
desu ne.
look like Jujutsu.
種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ
Denji.
闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相
This is
当
like
いいんだ
Jujutsu 2.0. Like the monsters, instead of not curses, it's devils.
あざっす。
そこから借金と利子引いて17万さらに仲介手数料と事務
Bro,
手
there's
数料
fees after fees after
調
fees.
整費その他もろもろ
Fuck, you're just forever gonna be in debt.
残りが7万。
Oh, you wanna get that
水道
much?
代を払って他んとこにしてる借金を払うと
It's yen money,
不
right?
思議だな。
How much is 70,000 yen?
1800円になっ
I
ちゃ
don't
った
remember what the conversion is.
Damn.
家に食い物ねえし今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえからポチタ今日の飯食パン1枚だぜ
Slice of bread. That's it.
Woke.
It's hard to live, bro.
なんでんなガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな
Oh, you're
悪
carrying
魔
on
を
your
飼ってるや
dad's
つに
debt?
デビルハンターが務まるんですかね
それにデンジのいいとこが逆らわねえとこだ
Kidding.
おい犬このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ
What the fuck?
マジっすか
Damn.
For real?
I would have been like, show me the 100 first.
If you drive off, you're dead.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ逃げたら豚の餌だからな
Oh, okay, you got paid at least.
Damn, living is hard.
Yeah. Like, this guy will do anything for money, I guess.
Double Hunter.
Nice, nice, nice.
これで3日は食えるね
Hey, that's cute. Nice.
Oh, they live in a little, like, shed.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ
People put jam on their bread.
まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけど
Damn, so they just eat bread.
Oh, damn, one slice between the two of them.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろう
Gee.
な
Damn.
こんなボロ小屋には女呼べねえし
Facts.
Yo, like,
Guy doesn't even have a bed.
it's just a mattress on, like, on a skid.
Yeah, you got bigger problems.
女抱いてからしようかな
I mean,
I feel that, man. Who's
It's probably his parents, dad.
younger version?
Oh, shit, suicide.
what was his dad then?
物乞いするなり体を売るなりして
What? No, it's
What?
just his problem. You
Like,
damn.
how? Like, just one day?
お前の死体をばらしている
That's rude.
That's fucked.
Like, what do you do at this point? Like,
Holy. And what did he do to get so much?
if someone told you that the next day, give me $700,000, like, how are you gonna come up with that money in one day?
Oh.
悪魔だ俺を殺すなら殺せよどうせ死ぬんだ
True.
How they became best friends.
Well, he got shot.
Oh. Oak.
Damn.
What?
How was his dad?
悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないなら噛め。
Damn.
So he saved it.
Wow.
Give me that blood.
That Teton blue.
She-Hulk.
Oh.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。
Could have said that before you took a bite.
Yeah, $700,000 I can borrow.
Oh, and so that's how they get into devil hunting.
They work together.
Yeah.
So just a natural thing in life that there's devils around.
I guess so, in this world.
Look at the... His leg is just dangling there.
俺をデビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
How long has he been doing this for?
I guess he couldn't pay it all off, so that's the deal he made with them.
It's been so long then.
Yeah. But once he pays off his debt, he'll be debt free.
He's got like 800 million yen or something crazy.
It was 38 million or something like that.
Holy.
He got it more than half almost.
What if that thing just decides to go?
Yeah, right? Like, that's what I was thinking.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
That's what you get for selling your kidneys, bro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Fuck. Yo! Heart disease.
Damn. That's a crazy life. So you don't know what this guy does. Who is he? What did his dad do to get into so much debt?
And why is he only killing devils?
And why, yeah.
Why do devils even exist there?
Yeah, exactly.
Why
True.
devils exist, true. I doubt it was like a gambling scenario. Like, what did he do to get so much debt?
Yeah.
Shit, I'm all in.
This guy's like, oh, like 38 million.
That's what I'm saying. Gambling doesn't really make sense here.
Yeah, because it's not a gambling like show.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got to be more backstory to it. I don't think so.
Yeah, why would he be there then?
Yeah, right? I didn't even try killing him right now.
Yo, I swear there's no music in this show.
They're gonna kill him.
Keep it like that.
Oh. Oh, shit. Ah,
Yeah, they're
shit,
gonna
there's
try-
a talk.
Here we go.
Yeah.
犬みてえに従順だし、犬みてえに安い報酬で働いて
Rude. You better give him a promotion.
る。でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
What happened? Ew.
Did he?
Oh, he got stabbed!
Oh, and Pochita.
Oh.
俺たちヤクザもよ。もっと
Is that like a zombie?
稼ぎてえからよ。
Oh, he's a monster himself.
悪魔と契約しようとしたんだ。俺たちが望むのは悪魔の
Ew, look at that.
Oh, that shit's huge.
望むのはデビルハンターの死。デビルハンターくん、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。悪魔の力だけで
So zombies.
True.
力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけどね。僕、ゾンビの悪魔。
Zombie devil.
デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。
Yo, are we just gonna witness a murder?
そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。
Oh, that's disgusting. There.
It's so gory. Yeah.
Was the old man like legit like a
He was-
zombie
he
or
was
like?
dead, yeah.
Yeah, he made a deal with the zombie devil, basically. So I think he's dead,
It
yeah.
was basically like
So then he's debt free then. Kind of, if he escapes this.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, shit.
Maybe not then, because he's gonna keep chasing after him. I'm assuming if he gets out of here.
Run!
No,
Run,
Pochita.
Forrest, run!
Not
Well,
Pochita.
Pochita needs to bite
Yo,
him.
he's catching.
Oh, yeah, he's stabbed.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Damn. Machete pretty much.
Yo, machete.
yo,
Damn.
Oh, okay. I did not expect this at all.
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。せめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのか。
Guidelines. Guidelines. Guidelines.
Boundaries, boundaries.
So that's it.
Oh, this video's gonna get monetized.
Oh,
Not made for kids.
Did you just get thrown in the
Legit, you got thrown in the trash. Pochito.
his head? Yo!
oh, neck cut off.
He really got dismembered.
Oh,
Even
half.
Even Pochita.
shit.
Oh,
Hey.
he's gonna heal.
Nice. Wow. Yo, but then is Denji a human though?
Yeah, Denji's human.
What's with his teeth?
They just make their teeth like that sometimes.
Are you sure he's a human?
Yeah.
Wait.
They just make teeth like that sometimes. Depending who's drawing them.
True.
Yeah, but they definitely did it on purpose.
True.
He's just remembering all the good times.
俺は悪魔と戦ってるうちに腹すかして死ぬかもしれ
Cares for him.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない。
Yo, this show went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Seriously.
悪魔には信
So is he actually the main character, or is there someone else?
I heard some devils can take over dead
頼
bodies.
それができるんだったら
Oh, so that must have been the old man then.
ポチタに
To have my body.
そんで
She, bro. Got the
So
trade for
cute.
real.
普通の死に方をしてほしい。俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Some weird fucking Pokemon, Pikachu, fucking.
Oh, I think he's.
So who's gonna take over who right now?
What is that?
Oh,
Pochita's taking over
Denji's body.
Denji's body.
oh.
Or. But then who's conscious is. Is it still
Pochita.
Denji?
He's safe.
ポチタ、
Pochita, fuck. We're saying Pochito. Pochita.
俺の体、
Fuck.
ちゃんと奪えたか。
私は
Oh,
デンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった
is he surprised as we are?
これは契約だ私の心臓をやる代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ
Oh,
So Denji's still awake, and Pochita basically became part of it.
yeah. So like they're inside now combined.
Yeah. Looks like it.
2 souls in one.
So we're
So it's like a key. Oh, so he lives in there.
So now. I'm assuming this is where he goes, like, oh.
バラバラにしても生きてんのなんでキモ
gross.
やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌いみんなそいつ食べちゃって
Oh, there was.
Bro, if zombies do happen in real life, I hope they're not running.
For real, bro.
I'd
I'd say
cry.
I'd GG.
ポチタ
No,
が
not
幸せだけじゃ
Pochita.
満足できなくて、
Man.
もっといい生活
So he's just gone? What the heck?
Well, he's inside of
Well,
him,
he's
but
inside
like,
of-
yeah.
But, like.
It
Yeah.
was sick having seen him
Yeah.
outside. Like,
Yeah, use him as a
Man.
chainsaw. Like, that was
Oh,
kind of
man.
悪いことじゃねえ。
Alright, show me what you can do.
悪いことじゃねえけ
What is
ど
he gonna, how is he
gonna
gonna do
transform.
it?
He's gonna.
Which part of it? Oh, he's gonna pull the. Oh, like an
Yeah.
actual.
Yeah, like. Oh. Okay.
And then, is he getting ripped apart again?
Is he already being eaten?
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう
Or is he gonna do the whole explosion thing?
Oh,
Does he do like a big blast?
I'm a Super Saiyan.
Yeah, literally.
That shit's ugly.
And? Oh, you hear the
Oh.
noise!
Damn.
What?
So his head became a chainsaw.
And his arms.
Oh,
Okay.
That's crazy.
Pochita got an upgrade.
Legit, what are you?
悪魔が体を乗っ取ったのか。そんな仲間だな。
Damn!
So much blood.
Damn.
So he's the chainsaw devil now.
This is so fucked.
That's
Jeez.
The design's pretty cool.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
they got the sound on perfectly.
Oh, he's absorbing them for. Oh no. Oh no.
That's them.
Fucking Zeke.
But does he have conscience of himself or no?
Oh. Maybe he does because he's going after him.
Damn. Damn.
Whoa. Holy.
wicked.
How fast is this guy?
This guy actually jumped off some zombies.
You gonna do the brain? Ooh. Bro. Okay.
Other eye. Other eye.
Damn. Oh no, the brain.
Brain, yeah.
Yeah. Yo. That's a cool thing.
It's like mask.
Yeah. But then, does he transform back?
I feel like maybe.
Oh, bro, the blood. The amount of blood. Holy.
Rated R.
For real. Oh.
Shouldn't they just all die?
Jeez.
Damn. No.
Bro.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
That's true. The
There you
guy's
go.
dead.
I guess there's the story plot, kinda.
So now he's debt free.
But now he has a vengeance to kill all the devils, basically.
True.
Because he lost Pochita.
Well, yes.
Because of that, in a way.
Did he turn back?
Yeah, can he turn back?
Who's
He's
this?
gonna go inside and see all the blood.
Well, that's the guy's car.
Yeah, if the guy died.
The boss, yeah.
So who's this guy? The boss's boss?
Oh, damn.
Oh.
Secret agents.
Detectives. DOC.
Dang.
Oh,
Oh, they're devil hunters too? Maybe?
probably like higher ranks or something.
生きてるのがいますね。
Okay.
Shit.
Bro.
君、変わった匂いがするね。人でも悪魔でもない匂い。これ、君がやったの？
Hug me.
Oh.
Oh, he's with a girl. Just saying.
Oh, that's right. That was his like plan. He wanted to die like that.
Oh,
Oh.
that released him?
That was less gory than I thought it was gonna be.
人だ。
悪魔による乗っ取りの可能性は？
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た。
Oh,
公
they
安の
might
デ
be
ビル
right,
ハン
yeah.
ターなんだ。
Devil hunter.
Oh, yeah.
君の選
I want to
択
see her powers. She must be OP.
Glowing eyes.
Yeah.
人として私に変われるか。
Bro, but then you'll still be on a leash.
ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
That's true. That's kind of shitty.
Yeah.
I mean, at least
Well-
this time you're with the girl, so.
Yeah, right? Well, hopefully he gets like somewhat freedom though, too. And he can start making his own money. Not bread. Anything but bread. Bro.
Hey, butter and jam. Let's
He
go.
was talking about jam.
Yeah.
デザートかな。
He's like, I'm down, I'm
Yeah, he's
sold.
sold.
Let's go right now. You single?
最高じゃないっすか。
Oh, don't tell me it's. Oh my god, bro! I wanted more. I
Little
wanted
intro video.
I wanted more.
Wow. So
That was
what a
actually
great episode.
That was pretty interesting.
I like shows like this. Like the first episode needs to get me like motivated to like continue watching the show.
Yeah.
Which this is like pretty cool. Now I want to know like where it can go from here.
And, like this one already raises so many questions in itself because
Oh yeah.
we don't know who the dad is, why the dad owed that much, who that guy was, and what they do.
the story of the devils?
Yeah, like why
And
they're
who are
devils.
the devils? Yeah. It turned. I think there's like devils for different things. There's a zombie devil. There's a strawberry. What was it? Strawberry? Devil?
The strawberry devil.
The
or something.
I think it was tomato
devil.
yeah.
Tomato devil.
I think
The
there's
first
like
one that he killed. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That we see. I think this is the tomato devil.
Yeah, different types of devil. Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's like.
And there's like a
devils
whole
for
secret.
different things.
Well, not secret. I don't know, but there's a whole agency like.
For devil hunters.
Devil
Yeah.
hunters, yeah.
I'm wondering if there's maybe like a you know how like Bleach like hollows, like there's someone creating hollows, like there's someone creating
Devils.
Devils. I mean, it's a
hierarchy.
possibility, yeah.
Is there a ranking for this?
Yeah, like are these devil hunters like
Where's Geto?
are these devil hunters like known around the world like to like kill devils or like their secret
Are they
like
secret?
yeah like so many questions.
Questions.
Oh,
I know anything map up.
that's it? No post credit?
No post credit.
Probably not for the episode.
That's it. Just
Well, that was a very interesting show. Did you guys want to add anything on to this?
I was just gonna just again Doro Hidoro, the animation, the way
Yeah, the
that
transition and everything.
and just the way the characters look. They're
Very similar.
They're 3D looking. And
Yeah.
If you watch the show, you'll be like, oh wow, it's literally very similar.
Sir. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that episode. If you did, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. With that being said, we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.
peace.